Welcome back to Success with Steven. My name is Steven Smith. On this channel, we talk about all things financial literacy. And today we're going to be discussing 8 business credit cards that pull from Equifax only. If you've ever tried to credit card stack, especially with business credit cards, it is very difficult to find credit cards that do a hard pull from Equifax. And even though we can remove these hard pulls, we would like to have more information about credit cards that pull from Equifax specifically. Now, with this list, I want you to keep in mind that a majority of these cards, they will be geographic restricted. So they only will be available in certain states, and you will need to take a look at which state that you are currently in to know that you can get this particular credit card. So as you're watching this video, keep in mind, not every single state will be available for everyone. You should pick the cards that are available in your state. Okay. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Now, the first credit card that we're going to be discussing is with Huntington Bank. Now, for this credit card, it is really good. It has a 4% cash back in your category of choice. And it is a really good credit card that you can use for business. With these 10 categories, they can be auto parts and service stores, department and apparel, discount and warehouse stores, electronic, computer and camera stores, gas stations, grocery stores, home improvement stores, restaurants, travel, and entertainment. And it lets you know exactly how the 4% cashback works depending on your sort of business that you're doing. And there are a few other features. Now, with this particular credit card, you will need to find a branch in order for you to apply with Huntington, but they have approximately 975 branches in 12 states. Those will be Ohio, Colorado, Florida, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Michigan, Minnesota, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, and Wisconsin. So you will need to be in one of these 12 states in order for you to be able to get this business credit card. Unfortunately, as far as data points, I like to give data points from real perspective. I like to apply for the product so I can accurately give you, what I was approved for. If I was approved, if I was denied, I like to give data points on that too. However, with this credit card, I am in Nevada. I am nowhere, near where I can apply for these. Now, there is a way that you can start a new business and you can actually apply in one of these states, and then you'll be able to do this as a foreign entity. There is a way to do it. I might make a video on that in the future or when I start my new business. But right now, I do not have any information on data points as far as what qualifies you for this particular bank. Now, the next bank on our list will be KeyBank. They do offer 3 small business credit cards that you can take a look at. And KeyBank Business Cash Card, it earns you up to 2% cash back on purchases. And that's unlimited cash back with no expiration date, no categories. It also has 0% APR for 6 months for purchases and balance transfers. Now, this is at the time of recording, so please always double check to make sure that all of these features are still being offered. The next one is the KeyBank Business Rewards Card. It's generous points with no limits, no deadlines, and you can redeem the points for a statement credit, travel, gift cards, merchandise, and more. Now, that is 0% APR for 6 months on purchases and balance transfers. And then you also have the KeyBank Business Card. Now, this one is to build business credit and improve cash flow. It is 0% introductory APR on purchases and balance transfers, and that's going to be made within the first 60 days of account opening. Now, this one doesn't have any rewards that are offered, but it does have a lower APR that you can potentially get. This is an Equifax hard pull for this business credit card, but you will not be able to get this in every single state. So you do want to keep in mind that you need to be in Alaska, Colorado, Connecticut, Florida, Idaho, Indiana, Maine, Michigan, New York, Ohio, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Utah, Vermont, Washington, and Massachusetts. It has to be one of these states. So if you are in any of the following states, I would definitely recommend checking out KeyBank for a business credit card. Again, all these features They do come pretty standard, but they are generous with the limits, and it's no annual fee on any of these credit cards. Next, we'll be looking at Citizens Bank. Now, I have done one-on-one coachings with a lot of people that have gotten pretty high limits for these cards, up to $35,000. It does pull from Equifax, and they do offer two cards. The first one is the Everyday Points Business Card. You can earn $325 when you spend $5,000 in the first 90 days. Thereafter, you earn unlimited 1.5% in rewards on your everyday business expenses. That's 0% APR for the first 6 months from account opening. And then you also have the Business Platinum MasterCard at 0% APR for 12 months, which I like a lot. And you will get that from account opening. And then after that, it is a variable APR of 12.74% to 23.74%. There is no annual fee on either card that you get. However, you do want to keep in mind, this will be in California, Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont, Virginia, and Washington, D.C. If you are in one of those states, I highly recommend that you go for one of these cards. Now, the next card on our list is the GM Marcus card. Now, this is a card that I can speak for. I have applied. I have been approved for this card, and it does pull from Equifax. It is a initial soft pull. You do need to unfreeze your credit, but if you do get approved for this card, they will let you know your credit limit before you accept the offer. Now, you can get a $750 bonus earnings to redeem with GM after spending $5,000 on the GM Business MasterCard, and that's in your first 5 months. Plus, there's no annual fee. The 0% APR promo has changed. Originally, when I got this card, it was 12 months. It has now been reduced to 9 months. And again, you can apply with no impact to your credit score. And this has been a very good card for me. Haven't had any issues out of it. It has one unique feature that has helped me a lot. You can create an unlimited amount of virtual cards to use for online purchases. That seems like something that's very small, but if you're like me and you've purchased inventory in order to sell or resell doing retail arbitrage, that is a really good feature. Sometimes if you use the same card too many times, you're not allowed to keep using that same card number. But with this one, I can make as many virtual cards as I want to, which enables me to make as many purchases as I want. Little small thing that gets overlooked, but if you're in that sort of line of business, that's a really cool feature, and it's something that you may not be aware of that I personally enjoy a lot. You will normally see starting limits on this card of around $8,000. I've seen reports up to $50,000 on this card, and again, I have had no issues from it personally, and I believe I had a low 700 Equifax score when I was approved, maybe even somewhere around like 720, right around that range. But I do have a video that gives you all the exact details if you want more information about that approval and any information on that card. The next card on our list is the Truist Bank credit cards, and these business credit cards will be in the following states: Alabama, Florida, Georgia, Indiana, Kentucky, Maryland, North Carolina, New Jersey, Ohio, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, Tennessee, Texas, Virginia, and West Virginia. And it also has branches in Washington, D.C. So if you are in any of those states, check out their products. They have the Cash Rewards Business Card, the Travel Rewards Card, and there's also just the Truist Business Card. That one has the 0% APR for 12 months. That's the one that I would highly recommend if you're using this for business purposes to actually make money. And it also has no annual fee. Now, the Truist Business Travel Card, that one does have a $49 annual fee, but it's waived for the first year. And this one also has low APR to start, and you can earn 2 miles per dollar spent, earn 1 mile per dollar spent on other eligible purchases. And that's going to be, for the eligible ones, airfare, hotels, and car rentals. Business Cash Rewards Card. I think this one is the best of both worlds because you get the 0% APR only for 9 months, but you also can earn cash back, 3% on gas, 2% on restaurants and office supply stores, up to $2,000 in combined spend. And then it's going to go to 1% on all other eligible purchases. Now, it does have a loyalty bonus offer, but keep in mind that's at the time of recording this video. If this does change, then you'll want to check their website to make sure that this is still going on. And this will be a pull from Equifax. Again, I've done one-on-one business coachings. I've seen a lot of approvals on their products, and they can be starting off around like $8,000 to $10,000, as high as like $20,000 to $25,000 that I've seen. So, and you can also get multiple cards with them. I would say within like a 90-day time frame, maybe start off with one, use it, make sure when you apply for the next one, the utilization is paid down. And you can also build a relationship with them by opening a checking, a savings, depositing a very small amount of money, and maybe making a few other ones along the way for up to 90 days. And then you could apply for a second card. So between maybe one or two of them, you may be able to get somewhere between, I would say, 20,000 to even potentially 50,000, depending on your credit profile and what you have going on. But it will be an Equifax hard pull. So the next credit card on our list is going to be with NIH Federal Credit Union. The good news about this card is anyone can apply for it, no matter what state that you are in. The only drawback is that they will request documentation. Now, the Visa Business Rewards credit card, this one is very, very good. Currently a very low APR with the prime of 7.74% at the time of recording. And then you can earn 1 point for every dollar that you spend. You also earn 2x points for every net $1 business category purchase, including medical equipment and supplies. And you can redeem the points for cash, for travel, gift cards, and merchandise. Low foreign transaction fee. So there is a transaction fee on that card. If you want to apply to submit a request through like a paper document, you can fill it out online, but yeah, once again, they will request documentation. So please have that prepared, but it will be an Equifax hard pull for you to get this business credit card. Next on our list will be another credit union, DCU. I've done a few videos on them recently, but for this Visa business credit card, they will need documentation for this one. They do have rates as low as 9.99% on this business credit card. And there are a few other good features on here. There is no annual fee on this card. Other than that, it's pretty standard for what you will be getting with this particular credit card, with a maximum credit line of $25,000. So if you're looking to get the most out of that, then that's going to be the highest credit limit that you can achieve. So with this credit card, once again, it pulls from Equifax, will be a hard pull. They will need documentation in order for you to get approved. Now, the last business credit card on our list will be from Citi. Citi only has 2 business credit cards, and I will say that there are not too many great features about the cards, which probably makes them some of the least popular cards that you can apply for. However, I do want to mention that these cards do have some features that you may like. For example, the A Advantage card does have a 75,000 bonus mile for the introductory welcome bonus offer. And then if you are a member of Costco, you do have the Costco Anywhere Visa Business Credit Card by Citi, and you can get cash back if you're at Costco very often. That might benefit you, even though there is no 0% APR or anything like that that you can actually get with these cards. Now, I do want to mention I've applied for the Citi cards. They have pulled from Experian. However, I cannot ignore the overwhelming amount of information that I've gotten that shows in other states this credit card will pull from Equifax, and it does do that very heavily. Now, depending on where you are, that might change. I do have a credit pull guide that you can download from the website. So if you do want to see which state it's going to pull from Equifax, I recommend that you go there and download that guide. But this card can pull from Experian, or it can also pull from Equifax, but there is an overwhelming amount of data that shows there are a lot of hard pulls from Equifax with this particular business credit card. My recommendation would be to freeze your Experian credit score, leave Equifax open to see if you can force a pull. If you can, then that might ensure that you only get that pull from Equifax. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you did get approved for any of these cards, please, it would really help if you drop the data points, especially because a lot of these states I am not in, so I have not been able to do it myself. And if you do drop the data points, please include your credit score at the time, the pool that it was done, and then what limit did you get. Those things would be very, very, very important to anyone else that may want to actually apply for any of these credit cards. And if you would like me to go into detail about any one of these particular cards that I haven't already covered, I can definitely dig and get more research to find more data points and talk about one or the other. Just let me know which one was your favorite. Drop that in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video, and you guys have a wonderful day.